Printing using the fence option. Let's say instead of printing out the whole entire sheet, let's say I just want to print out a certain area to maybe a size plot or a B size plot or something like that. Well, the first thing that I would need to do is define my fence of the area that I want to print. So I will go ahead and select the fence, and I'll just use the fence type of block and the fence mode of inside. And let's just say I want to print out just this area right here. So I have my fence defined. Now if I go back up to the print, and by default it's going to go to the sheet option. But if you go to here, there's an option that says MO.PDF fence. I will select it, and now you'll see that it will go through there and print out just your fence that you have defined. Then what you need to do is go down through here and define what size print that you want to print. We have A size, B size, D size, and then also the long plots, which are your strip maps for maybe doing like a public display. So that's what those are used for. So I will just do a B size for this example here. And whenever I change it to something else, I probably will need to do the maximize again. So I will go ahead and select maximize print size. And it'll look just like that. Of course, I can change my color if I need to be a grayscale or a true color. I'll just go ahead and leave it to monochrome. My area, I have a fence, and that's what I want to use. So I'm going to leave it set to fence. The rest of this area down through here, I shouldn't have to worry about. So basically, whenever you do the fence option, change this option right here to mo.pdf fence. Define your size that you want to print it to. And then after that, you can do landscape or portrait. We'll just do landscape. And then of course your color, whether you want monochrome, grayscale, or color. So once you have that defined, simply click Print to File. No wizard. And define where you want to print it to. Once that's defined, click on Save. And now once it's finished, we should be able to go back into ProjectWise. And we have the PDF created. And I will go ahead and open it up. And you'll see that that PDF is created from that fence that you have defined. So that's using the option of fence printout. I will go ahead and check that back in. So that's the option of using the mo.pdf fence to create a PDF of just a fenced area that you want to have printed out.